Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the RomanNiko Railroad. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hope everybody's having a lot of fun railroading. Hope you all had a good Veterans Day. I was out of town, couldn't put out a video. But in this short video, I want to show you some of the 3D printed kits that I've done, and I've implemented into my layout. This first building here is the Jug in West Virginia. It's a historic building in West Virginia, so I put it in this little corner. So then went ahead and built a radio station. Not too many radio stations in O-scale out there. So I went ahead and built the WEZY with the radio tower. Put it back here next to the face of the rock, the mountain. Who doesn't like Domino's pizza? So I went ahead and did a little Domino's building, and this is the original building, which is now I think it's a sub place in Michigan. But this is where Domino's all started. And I built this little building to commemorate. And put it in this little corner there. Next series of buildings and articles are from a very popular TV show called Petticoat Junction. And I did several of the buildings to go along with the Sierra number 5 coach, which is that one there. And I did Sam Drucker's store. I did the water tower. And then over here, I printed the Shady Rest Hotel. And it fit nicely in this little area. The next project that I got going, it's going to be something to house my big boy. It's going to be like an open platform station type of thing, where people can stand there and take pictures of the big boy. It's going to look really nice. I have it designed. I got to print it out now. But I've had so many orders that, I've had to delay it and then delay it and delay it. All these items are on my eBay page for the Railroad Dog. Check it out if you like anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey, I want to thank all my subscribers. You guys have a very happy Thanksgiving. And thanks. Thanks for checking it out. Bye.